Different statements are given in this question. We have to provide the reasons for the statements. The first one is sulfurous acid is a reducing agent. This is a correct statement because in sulfurous acid, sulfur is in +4 oxidation state, but they can increase their oxidation state until +6, means they will undergo oxidation, so they are good reducing agents. They can donate electrons to other substances, which makes it a reducing agent in a chemical reaction. Sulfurous acid is oxidized to sulfuric acid or to sulfur dioxide, and in the process it reduces other substances also. So the first one is a correct statement. In the second one it is given fluorine forms only one oxo acid. This is again correct because fluorine can produce only one oxo acid, that is fluoric acid, with a formula HOF. Fluoric acid is a binary acid composed of hydrogen and fluorine, and it does not have a typical oxo acid structure because it lacks oxygen. This is a weak acid compared to other hydrogen halides. However, it is highly corrosive and can react with glass, which is unusual for many acids. The third statement is boiling point of noble gases increases from helium to radon. The boiling point of the substances is mainly depends on the intermolecular interaction, and the type of intermolecular interaction present among the noble gases is van der Waals interaction or London forces. The London forces will increases with increase in number of electrons. From helium to radon, we know the atomic number is increasing, so the number of electrons will also increases. When these number of electrons are increasing, we can say the London forces will increase, so they will increases the boiling point of the noble gases. And in the oral question, we need to complete the given chemical reactions. In the first one, we could see that manganese dioxide react with HCl or hydrochloric acid. Then the products are manganese dichloride, chlorine gas, and 2 water molecules. In the second one, it is given xenon hexafluoride react with potassium fluoride. Then the product will be a complex ion with a formula KXEF7. Here potassium is in ionization sphere and others are in coordination sphere. And the third one is I minus ion react with H plus ion and oxygen gas. Then the products are iodine and water. So for each of the equations you will get 1 mark. So the total marks is 3.